Okay, guys, we are here at Camp Phillips Church, and we teachers have already prayed at the prayer room. So it's me, Jeffrey Fabiosa, as your cameraman. So check it out. So these are my classmates, my co-teachers to be, and we are now going to the house of Teacher Apple. Yeah, she's Teacher Apple, the girl wearing pink and black, the stripe. Ay, pagsabain, bis, dili siya ko ang ako na. Sabaan ba kayong director nga? Scripted eh, scripted. Scripted. Alam ko ninyo pansina ko, bahala. Scripted eh, scripted. Okay, dito. And this woman is our director. She is Evangeline Labuga. And that girl running is Mom Lovely Pamesa, a dancer. Dancer daw. Dancer. Oh. Next is Mom Lorraine. Mom Lorraine Las Marias. She is committed to Mr. Marlon. Committed. Soon to be engaged. Hopefully. Look at the children. Children, maganda. Dulawan mo dira karon. Look at the monkeys. They're so cute, you know. The monkeys. Video ganin eh.
Pwede mo na siya maputol. Ibalik ko na yun.
How man, how?
Stop lang.
Dabi, makuha man siya, ma-process, ma-save siya ba?